Move out from my way. Let me go. Let me wait out from my way. Don't try to stop me again. Don't try it. Are you stupid?
First now.
Get out from my way.
Calm down first now.
Don't stop me again.
Humiliatë, what up guys? It's your boy CJ, aka Tito Celebrity. I'm popular for this area as guys. Now remember this car we have been buy for my girlfriend at I came and come move around the car. This is the car. Can see it. This is the key. The car since that time yeah, but I never use them. I just park on one side. I just park the car. Come here, come. So because of all those things that my girl been do to me, and even the house self where she been dey stay, I be don tell her make she comot for the house, so she be don comot. View around the compound. This is the compound. So this thing now is right in Asaba. So guys, I know very well say una been see video where she be engaged with my best friend. So now I will call am now, tell am say I want make we come back together, make her see how her reaction go dey. I don call her, abeg her, she no gree come, she no even gree answer me. But I beg am, tell am say abeg just try, say I wan see you. I no tell am say I wan make we come back o. I don tell am say I wan make we see, make we sit down talk. So make her see wetin she go talk. If truly she go accept the car, you can see the car, this is the car remote and this is the car BMW. So guys, so stay on this video and watch out what is going to happen. She's coming, she's on her way. I don't play with her so much, so she don't dey come now, she dey on her way, they come. So please, thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget to share. Thank you very much guys. She's here. I just hope that everything is going to work out. So camera, follow me, let's go. My relationship is coming back. It's coming back. Queen, Alpha. Hi, Debbie. Now. This one on your face, they like this. You see the quarrel. Come this side. Long time no see. Yeah, this is your class cup. This is my class cup. I hope you drink with me. This is I don't used to take alcohol now, so that's why I'm using Coke. Forget say wine no dey. They know just manage Coke. You know me, I don't drink alcohol.
I'm not interested.
Which one is you're not interested?
Are you sick with you? You want to poison me or what? Why have you been disturbing me? You have been calling me, disturbing my food. What happened? Now I'm here.
Are we still quarreling?
You're not calling. I'm not having any issue with you.
Okay, see, let me just go straight to the point. See, I'm videoing.
Why?
Yes, because the first time we had issue, it was online. Everything was online. So now I'm still videoing again. Because
you want to still go and post it on Facebook?
See, I want us to settle. See, I know I've done something wrong. I know, by the way, I'm not supposed to prank you because you have been there for me since. So I'm not supposed to prank you with the carpet. I was just in purpose of entertainment. Let me just do post my relationship online. So that's why I did that, and I'm very very sorry. And I want us to come back together.
Now to see, I know everything that happened. I know what I've been through since that time. But to tell you the fact, I'm not having any issue with you. I don't owe anything against you. Everything is past now, and you have moved on, right? You too have moved on.
Did I tell you I've moved on?
Which one do you tell me you have moved? After everything that happened on social media, after everything, you still have the mind to call me here to see what?
Yes,
What
now
else do you want?
it's because I still love you now. I still love you, and I still need you back. That is why I called you.
Do you know that I'm engaged?
Yes, I saw it. See, if it's for that guy, leave that guy. That guy is a betrayer. Leave that guy.
Really?
Yes,
He's a
now.
betrayer. So what are you?
I'm a faithful boyfriend. Now,
Faithful? You that was cheating on me, even during our relationship.
Did I tell you I was cheating on you?
You are not cheating on me. Hey, when will you stop all this your attitude? When will you stop lying?
Did I tell you I was cheating
We
on you?
broke up not even up to 2 weeks, and your so-called wife or girlfriend gave birth. So how come? And you are not cheating on me? How come?
Maybe let me just say it was the Lord's doing also.
Really?
Yeah, it was not like I was cheating.
Oh,
It was just only one time trial.
oh, one time trial.
Yes.
Hey,
It was
God.
just one time trial.
Men. What do people even want?
Why are you saying like this? See, I'm very, very serious. I want us
One
back.
time trial, and you gave someone, you impregnated someone. You have a baby boy, and you were flirting on Facebook, posting your son and your wife. So what else do you want from me? I've moved on already.
I want you back.
Why?
See, if you even want, see.
Is this the
See,
reason why you invited me to this place?
if you even want, this is the car key. This is the car
I
key.
don't want it.
This is the
My
car key.
fiance got
The-
me a car. I don't want a
You
car
want to
from
compare
you.
that car with BMW?
Yes, I'm okay with it.
Do you know how much is that car?
Is this the reason why you invited me to this place?
Yes, that is the reason.
See,
Because
the only reason I came to see you is for you to stop disturbing my life. Stop disturbing me now. You have moved on with my life. You have moved on to continue with your relationship. Take care of your family, your son. I've moved on. What is all this?
But I want you.
I don't want you back. I don't want you. Stay away from my life. Let me be. I don't want your stupid car key. I don't want it. I don't want it.
Do you know how much?
I don't care to know. I don't care to know.
Do you know how much car
Let me be. Let me be. Let me be. I beg you, just let me be.
Why are you behaving
I don't
like
want
this?
to ask you.
Why?
I don't want to do anything harsh. Just let me be.
Queen.
Will you allow me to pass?
Queen, I invited you here.
And
not
so
for us to
what?
quarrel. Not
The
for us
only
to-
reason why I came to see is for me to tell you to let me be. Stay away from me.
Can't you just
My
forgive
friends
and
don't
forget?
even know that I came to see you. He's not even aware of it.
If they mention person, they mention your fiancé. Who your fiancé be?
He's nobody, but he's better than you.
Better than me.
Yes, because you are a cheater. You are cheating on me.
Ah! Wait,
Do you know the meaning of impregnating a girl while we are still dating?
Wait,
Eh?
you know, see, that guy is my best friend.
And so what?
I know him very well.
And so what? And so what? Ha! You rejected me. And
I did not reject you.
What did you do? What's the meaning of everything that you did?
I only prank you with the car.
Why will you be
failed.
pranking me? I
And you-
failed.
Yeah.
Why will you be pranking me with the car? Why? Nasty, please. Can I go?
You can't go. You can't
Please,
go.
I want to leave.
You have to settle this. You have to settle
Is it by
this.
force?
It's not by force.
So I don't want anymore. Let me just go.
Please
Please.
sit down now, please. At least for once, sit down.
I don't
please.
want to ask anything stupid here. I don't want people to gather here.
The gate is
You
locked,
have
so-
caused so much harm online already that I don't want any drama anymore. Let me just go. Please.
Queen, please.
Let me go now.
Please, Queen.
You know, as my own day be. Make her just pass.
Do you want me to kneel down?
Kneel down for what? Where is your wife?
Let me raise my wife again.
Where is your
Have
girlfriend?
you seen me engage anybody? Now you even rush self go engage, but they blame me.
You wey rush go born, uncle. You wey no answer me. You wey rush go impregnate girl born, uncle. Who did the worst thing? No, answer me.
See,
Let me go. You know, as my own anger dey be. Let me pass. Let me go. I thought you have something reasonable to say.
is this not reasonable?
Is
Us
I'm not in
back-
any
coming
coming back to
together.
do what? For
Us
what
coming back
reason?
together. Do you know what it is?
What do you take me for? I'm engaged, for crying out loud. What do you take me for?
See, stop using that word. You are engaged.
Of course I'm engaged, and you know.
Engaged to me,
To your best friend, of course.
and you are happy.
Yes, of course. Why
Yeah,
would I be happy? Please let me go. Don't try to stop me. I don't want to do anything stupid.
Wait.
You go out from my way.
Wait now.
Nasty.
Please.
I will not say it up to 2 times again and I will react. Let me go.
Please. I'm begging you.
One, let me go.
Please, listen to me first now. Please.
Move out from my way. Let me go. Let me wait out from my way. Don't try to stop me again. Don't try it. Are you
Wait
stupid?
first now.
Get out from my way.
Calm down first now.
Don't stop me again.
Wait
Don't
first.
stop me. I don't want to do anything stupid here.
Listen to
Let
me
me
first.
go.
Now. Listen to me first.
We are not meant to be together.
We are meant to be together.
Says
Can't
who?
you see?
Says who? Says who?
Says by nature.
Which nature? What stupid nature is that? Says by who?
We are meant to be together.
Says who? After cheating on me?
I said I'm sorry.
You're sorry. Oh, you're sorry. Look at how sweet it sounds in your mouth. You're sorry. You're just sorry.
I'm sorry.
You're sorry.
Yes.
Hey.
it won't happen again. It was just
See, I can't be with a man that already have kids somewhere else. I can't be with a cheater, a betrayer. How will I trust you again?
you have to trust me.
How? How possible is it going
It's
to
very
be?
possible.
Really? To
You know me very well.
I don't know you anymore. That was then.
Yeah.
After everything I sacrificed for you for 6 years, nasty. You choose to pay me back that way.
That is why I've come
By
back.
embarrassing me, insulting me, and to round everything up, you went and impregnate your girlfriend, someone you have been dating on my back, and you're here pretending. Please let me go. Let me go. If I do something bad now, your followers they will start attacking me. Let me just go. They will not see you now. Let me go. Leave my way. Let me go, please. Leave my way.
I did not even get the weekend.
No, you want to poison me. They have said it to kill me.
Hey, kill who?
Me, of course.
Kill
Why you leave
like
me?
for what now?
You have not said what
See.
you want. What do you want
See,
from me?
yeah.
Can you say it?
Eh?
What do you
I
want?
want you back
Why?
because I need you.
You
and
need me,
because
why?
I love you. Yeah, I need you back.
Do you know the meaning of love?
Yes.
Do you really know the meaning of love?
Yes.
Not you are a cheater. I can't be with a cheater like you. Please let me go. Let me just go. Let me just go. Please, I just came here to say, stay away from me. I don't want my friends to know that you are disturbing me. I don't want
Then where is he? Who cares? Why is he going
really?
to do?
So you want to spoil my relationship?
Spoil
Why
me.
you have your girlfriend and your baby? You want to spoil my own relationship? Please. I'm done with you and I'm done with you forever. Let me just go, please. Let me go.
Queen, at least just listen to me.
Don't touch me.
Okay, listen to me now.
Don't touch me again.
Listen to me.
Don't touch me again. Don't touch me again.
Listen
Don't touch me again. Don't touch me
Jesus.
again.
No, drop
Don't
this one
touch
first,
me
I beg.
again. It's your gate lock. I want to leave.
Calm down
this place.
first and listen to me now.
What else do you have to say? You have nothing to say anymore.
Should I kneel down?
For what? For what? Kneel down for what?
Let me kneel down now. I want to beg you.
You don't know me, oh. Maybe you are seeing me like someone that don't have.
I know you. I've been
You
dating
don't know.
for 5 to 6 years.
And
And you say I
what
don't
do
know.
you
I
have
know
from
you.
it?
I know you.
What do you know about me?
See.
Someone you know for 6 years, and you have
See.
the mind, you have the guts to do
See,
all those things you did.
see, you have a good heart.
I'm so
See.
much disappointed in
See,
you. I
you-
regret ever knowing
Queen,
you.
Queen, you have a good heart. You have a good heart. And that
Please.
heart, see, that heart is
Let me
still
go
there.
before my friends start looking for me, please.
There's nothing that I've changed about you. Please. Please. I'll do anything for you. Anything. I'll do anything. Please.
Let me go first. I'll think about it. Let me go.
There's nothing there to think about now.
Will you allow me to go?
There's nothing really there for you to think about.
So what? I should not go and think about myself
Are you
and make
think-
my decision.
You can make your decision here. There's no
Why?
different ways about it.
You must be joking. Let me just go. I'll get back to you.
How long?
I don't know. Don't need to ask. Anytime. Anytime I want.
Okay, but at least we'll be talking for now.
I don't know. I'm not promising you anything.
No, at least let's be talking now. Even
Why? Do you know that I'm under someone?
why you see that I'm under someone? And who is the person? Raja.
Human being are you? No, tell me what type of human
Wait,
being
is it
are
Raja?
you?
You're always bringing Raja. Who is Raja, sef?
You rejected me. And he chose me.
Why?
Hey, you're asking me why? You should be asking yourself that.
that is one thing you need to, like, everyone seem to understand that maybe you and Raja was having something to do
There
at
was
my back.
nothing.
Because
Nothing. You
I
were the
don't
one cheating at my back.
I don't see
You were
any
the one
reason.
cheating at my
I don't
back.
see any
Nancy.
reason why we just have issue. We did not break up, we just issue that you
Because
just
I
have,
had someone was pregnant for you.
and you jump.
Yes,
on
of course. I need
Raja.
to be happy too. I need to be happy.
Wait, are you really happy?
Yes, I'm happy. I'm happy with him. No matter what, I'm happy with him. You don't know that I'm happy? Have you seen me complaining? Have you seen me coming to beg you? Have I called you? Are you not the one disturbing me? I'm so happy with him.
You are not happy.
Hmm. You think so?
You are not
You
happy.
think so? Nasty, please let me go. Please. Let me go.
So when will I
I've,
be getting the
I
feedback?
don't know. Anytime. Just be expecting it anytime. I don't know.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you.
But you slap me.
And so what?
Your
And
hand
so?
just dey do you slap, 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 slap,
And
slap.
do you want to slap me back?
If I slap you back, you go die now.
Look, I go die. Look at someone begging.
Is there someone begging? I better
Someone
shout for
begging.
me.
Okay.
See me where everyone pity you, give you.
Give me what? What did you
It's
say?
okay, it's okay, it's okay.
You want to pity me? Give me what?
It's okay, come
I'm
dey go.
saying what you want to say. Now you want to pity me.
It's okay, come dey go now. I'm waiting for my feedback, abeg.
Really? Look at the way you're even talking to me.
Sorry.
Someone that is even begging me to consider. Look at the way you're talking to me.
Go and meet your Raja.
No problem.
Homo, the girl no gree, the girl no gree, the girl no gree. It seems that she seems to be very, very in love with that my guy. He's not like I really want her back. I was just let me test if actually he's still in love with me or he's still in love with that guy. But I can see that she have a very strong heart, so no need. So guys, thanks for watching this video and please don't forget to share. Don't forget to share. But anyway, Sha, I'm still waiting for her feedback. Let me see if actually she's going to agree on coming back to me or still